it's getting fuzzy, but I still got it. Nah, I can't tell what's going on. It's out of range.
It's just halfway down the street.
I can see it, but it's hard to tell what you got.
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Coming in, now I got a good picture. Good picture. Man, that thing is rolling. Oh, you fell out. It looks like it's going fast. It don't. I wish I could record this, man.
Record that from
I'm recording. Oh, from the screen?
It usually won't, it probably won't show up good like it. Can you see?
Car coming. Just barely.
Yeah, normally it won't show up.
But by being reflective, I can't really tell. It's really a bad reflection. We'll know when we...
What's a trip mine is because it's long, you going past all these skid marks, it looks like it's flying, dude. I wish you could see that. Oh my God. That's a trip. Be glad when our camera's on. Here, do it. Try to do it like this.
Oh,
I know it's hard. You got to look at what you're doing, but.
Okay, straight down a little. Come on.
See how the bark's going down, man? It looks like it's flying, dude. Dang, I wish this thing recorded. It's nasty. Because every now and then it'll get on a big wide skid mark and you can see you following it straight down through there. Oh.
That is a